Book ICU ventilator for emergencies in Delhi. Call Shriram Ambulance 6002 916002. Book ICU ventilators instantly anytime. 24/7 ventilator booking for emergencies. Quick ICU ventilator reservations available. Secure an ICU ventilator now. Fast and easy ventilator bookings. Reliable ICU ventilator booking service. Reserve ICU ventilators without delay. Access ventilators anytime, without hassle. Please like, share and subscribe Shriram Ambulance YouTube channel.